Can I use my startup's company credit card for a personal expense if I immediately reimburse the company? It depends. If you're planning to have a one-time large purchase and receive a large reward and there's a proper accounting and you reimburse the company for that personal expense, I'd say do it. But if you're planning to have continuous and ongoing personal expenses running through your business, I'd highly discourage that practice. And the reason that it's not a good idea is because you'd be commingling funds. And commingling funds just creates a mess for the accountants doing the accounting. Now they're sitting there not knowing what is a personal expense, what is a business expense, and so there'd be more time spent and obviously more accounting fees incurred. The second reason is that your LLC or your S Corp actually offers legal limited liability. And if you have limited liability, you have protection. When you're commingling funds, that protection can be pierced, and we call that piercing the corporate veil. So you would actually lose the protection from the business that you're operating on. And lastly, if your company was ever audited, now you would be dealing with an auditor that's looking through the accounting records and asking, why are there so many personal expenses here to deal with? So you want to avoid that at all costs. And again, it all depends. If it's a one-time, I say it's not a big deal, and then just continue on. But if it's ongoing, I'd highly discourage it.